Hi there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, bringing you a review of the M&M wig by BelleTress in the color Vanilla Lush. This is a new wig and a new style for the BelleTress Cafe Collection line. Now, BelleTress released two new colors for spring 2017. One is Vanilla Lush, the other one is Ginger Brown. It's a brunette. And neither one of them is a rooted color, which is a real departure from the rest of the colors in the Cafe collection. They're all rooted aside from these two new colors. So this is M&M. It's basically Biscotti Babe's slightly bouncier, slightly curlier cousin. It's short, it's about chin length, maybe a little bit lower if you straighten her out, because this is a heat-friendly synthetic. You can style her however you like. She has a lace front and a monofilament side part, which I'll show you towards the end of this video. Let me go ahead and show you what M&M looks like from all sides. She's very bouncy and fun, but like I said, if you want a different curl pattern in here, or you would like to straighten her out, it's easy to do with regular heat styling tools, or you could use steam like on a regular synthetic wig. I couldn't help it. So yeah, this wig is really adorable. It's got a ton of body. Unlike the Biscotti Babe, which has little corkscrew curls, they're kind of elegant corkscrews. These are big, bouncy barrel curls. Give it a lot of body, a lot of texture, and you get even more the more you play with her. The coverage on the side is okay. It's better than with some brands. I do think this one's super cute. I like the length of it. I think that makes it a little bit more approachable than something like Longing for a Long by Raquel Welch or something that's really long. I mean, this will be a cute little wig for summer. So yeah, let me go ahead and take this cap off now so I can show you what the inside of it looks like. So M&M has a monofilament side part and a hand-tied lace front. She's also got an open cap on the adjacent side without the monofilament features, and there is some permatease in that part of the cap. She's open on the sides and in the back, has generous amounts of wefts there, so lots of hair on this one. She does have a little bit of felt back here at the nape, but it is not an extended nape. It adjusts a bit like a bra strap, and this one is pretty stretchy. I find this one to be a little tight on me, but it's still kind of comfortable. It'll fit very true to average, so if you have an average cap size, this will fit very well on you. This also has closed felt on the ear tabs, and this is what the monofilament side part looks like here. If you can see those little teeny tiny dots there. She does have a lace front, and in fact, I'll put her back on again so I can show you that lace front. Since this is such a light color, those knots just really fade right in there, but it does go straight across. It is not a contoured lace front. It is very densely threaded. And this has been the CysterWigs review of the M&M by BelleTress in the new color Vanilla Lush. I'm Heather from CysterWigs.com. That's CysterWigs.com. Please check out our wig store if you get a chance. You can find M&M and her sister wig, the Biscotti Babe, there. Of the two, I think I personally like Biscotti Babe maybe a little bit better, but they're both really cute little wearable styles. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great afternoon. Bye-bye.